Kawaii Fluff. So the ingredients I'll be using, and you'll be needing if you want to make it, is some PVA glue, some conditioner to make your slime super glossy, and some lotion and an activator of your choice. So first off, I'm going to be adding some glue. Some lotion. And the special ingredient, the conditioner. And I'm just adding some baking soda. And mix, mix, mix. And some coloring is optional. I'm gonna color mine this glittery pink. Ooh, look at that color mix. And the last step is to activate. So after you activate your slime, it might not look very glossy yet because there are very many air bubbles, but if you let it rest for a while, it will be very, very nice and glossy. So here is another batch that I've made before, and it's been resting. So the air bubbles will rise and it will become super glossy. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial on making this super glossy slime. I hope you enjoyed, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and like this video to support my video making, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!